Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to lift a Suzuki Swift with a car jack. Yes, let's start. Support the back wheels with two edges. Yeah, now sit down and shift to gear 1 and pull the handbrake. That's important. Now, head up to the front side and have a look under the car. There it is, the car jack holder. This is a massive part of your car, and this will match your car jack lift unit. Now, push the car jack with a rubber as protection under it and lift the car jack a little bit up. Have a look that the car jack is in one line with the car. Now pump it up. Lift up the car. Yeah, pump it, baby. Pump it, baby. Good job. Now it's time for the additional supporting unit. There it is. This is a massive part on the downside of your car, and there we will place the extra stand. Good job. Support this with a rubber too, of course. Now it's time to bring the car a little bit back. So you have two support units, one the car jack and the other is the additional support stand. Now you are able to walk under the car in a safe way. Good job. Safety first. Okay, now we are ready to bring back the car on the earth again. Lift the car a little bit up and extract the additional support. Now it's time to bring back the Suzuki Swift on the ground again. Do this smooth and gentle. Yeah, now you're ready to drive again with your car. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.